Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Sounds and Haptics. From here, scroll down again and click on one of those options under Sounds and Haptic Patterns. I will go with Ringtone. Now you need to click on Vibration section at the top and adjust vibration options for your chosen feature. For example, you can click on one of those vibration patterns to set up the best one for you, like heartbeat. Enable synchronized vibrations by choosing synchronized over here. And even scroll all the way down and tap on None to disable vibrations completely. If you want to, you can always click on Create New Vibration under Custom and make your own vibration pattern by tapping it over here. When you're ready, you can click on Stop at the bottom right corner. Now, in order to play it, click on Play at the bottom left one. You can stop it by clicking on bottom right one again. In order to save your vibration, you need to choose Save at the top right corner, and if you wish to discard it, you can always choose Cancel at the top left one. I will go with Save though. Now name your vibration pattern however you wish to, and click on Save. Following that, you need to click on it if you chose something else to set it up, and finally click on the top left corner to go back. You can do that to all of those features. Then scroll down and click on Keyboard Feedback. Now you can enable or disable keyboard vibrations by clicking on this green switcher next to Haptics. If it's gray, that means that haptic option is disabled. If you want to enable it, tap on the same switcher one more time. Then click on Back at the top left corner. You can also click on those two switchers under Ring Silent Mode switch to enable or disable vibrations in ring mode and silent mode. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on this gray switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic interactions for your phone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!